I need a dessert, and I need it fast. Hey, welcome back. You know, whenever I think about fast desserts, I think eggs. Well, I always seem to have berries. Fresh berries around. I eat them all the time. The kids eat them all the time. Always got eggs. So, let's make a classic French dish. It's called a clafoutis. A clafoutis is essentially a omelet style pancake with berries. Well, traditionally they're cherries, but you can use just about any berry or fruit that you want. I would go with the drier fruits, raspberries, blackberries. They don't turn out too well. They get a little mushy in there. They taste great, but the texture just seems to go off a little bit because they release all their juices into the clafoutis itself. And first thing we have to consider is what pan we're going to use. I'm going to use a pan that is all the rage in the cast iron cooking clubs, which is a 10-inch cast iron skillet. So let's get this prepped up. First thing we need to do is coat the inside of this with butter. I'm not sure how much it's going to take, so I'm not going to tell you how much I'm using. Okay, that was about a tablespoon. Now, one thing you can do just to ensure non-stickage, we're going to add just a little bit of sugar. Just enough to coat the bottom. Not too much. Now let's get to mixing. Okay, first thing we got to do, half cup of sugar. 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. No juggling eggs. Mix this up till it's nice and frothy. Let's add in 3/4 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of sour cream. Now you can use regular cream. I've seen recipes with yogurt. But I like the sour cream. So, I mentioned the berries. Berries go down into the pan. I've got about 6 ounces of blueberries. That's a lot of blueberries in there. We'll be okay. Last ingredient to go in are, of course, the flour. There's only 1/3 cup. We do need to throw in some flavor. Pinch of salt. And I'm thinking full amaretto. About a teaspoon. No, I didn't measure it. I've got nutmeg. Grind some in there real fast. About a 1/4 teaspoon will do. And I'm also thinking about Star Anise. That'll be nice. And I've got allspice. Say about 5 or 6 berries. I gotta grind these up. I'll be back in just a sec. Okay, the Star Anise is very fibrous, so it doesn't grind up quite the way I like it. So I'm going to run it through this strainer. There. See all those big chunks? We wouldn't want that in our dessert. Okay, we'll stir those in. Now we'll add our flour. Now the flour is going to give it some structure, but really there's not a lot of flour in there to do that. So most of the structure is going to come from the eggs. So you'll see when it comes out. So this is going to go into a 350-degree oven after I, of course, pour it in here. Okay, 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. I'll see you then. Okay, it's done. Here we go. Notice how it poofs up and stuff like that. That's beautiful. Now you can serve it right now while it's all poofy, but I like to wait a little bit, and that's fine because this thing is going to collapse. Don't worry about that. That's just what it does. I'll be back in a few minutes and we'll serve this up. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. It has collapsed, which I predicted, and it's just what it does. Don't cry about it. I'm just gonna take a knife and cut myself a wedge. See, a little whipped cream would be nice. Oh, by the way, while this was cooling, that's what I was doing. Get a nice little dollop there. I also like a little bit more nutmeg. Just grind on a little bit. Okay, this is a clafoutis. Enjoy. If you want to, there's some videos up here. Go ahead, check them out. Also, like, subscribe, smash all those buttons down there, except the dislike. We don't like the dislike. I'll see you next time.